morning, first day namin. So, wala akong suklay. Pero of course, dapat may pa-pearl tayo from Ayla. Hi! Ayan ang aming driver. Hi! Yan, yan, Marcelo. Hi! How do I greet you? Like this one?
Yes. Just
Okay.
Like
So, baka we have like that or gestures. Ay, walang problema. He knows how to drive. Hi, guys. Ayan. Negari Luwak Coffee. I hope I pronounce it properly. Negari Luwak Coffee. So, we will try coffee tea. Traditional coffee. Traditional house.
Chivette coffee.
Ah, Chivette Coffee.
But it's Luwak. Here we go.
This one, malapit na tong mahinog. Oh my God, hulog siya. Bigger leaf than the cocoa fruit. We have a lot in the Philippines. Yeah, and more acidic.
Arabica is more acidic.
Ah, really?
Yes.
Than Robusta? Okay, I'm wrong. Sige.
Arabica is
One is...
this is Bali coffee.
This one?
Oh.
Bali Coffee. Okay.
Only grows here.
Yeah. Only in Bali. Iba din kasi talaga din yung leaf nila, oh, look.
You see that? The way it's like.
So this is Kuya Don, our tour guide, aka driver, aka everything. Friend!
All around coordinator.
Silang bahala sa amin dito in Bali. So if you need a company, contact Kuya Don.
Ako yun.
Yeah, ilalagay ko ang contact number niya here, okay, on the screen. Maingay na ako, guys. Alam mo yun.
This is vanilla.
Vanilla?
Yeah, but already at padating. Have a flower first.
Ah, first time ko makakita na vanilla na totoong alive. Na totoong alive, ano kaya yun? Hi. Oh,
So this is the sample process how to make it the luwak coffee.
The rock
luwak.
This is
Can I
dropping.
touch it?
Yes, of course. This is dropping
this
from
is-
the luwak because the animal they don't digest it, the bean,
Yeah.
they suck and swallow, so they come whole bean like this.
so this is...
Yeah,
Okay.
this is the real poop. But this is already dry one, so they don't have smell.
So they just touch a poop.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
After this, we wash until clean hot water, they become like this.
Okay.
And then we feel the skin. So they like a peanut, they have two layer skin.
The rock coffee to.
After we feel, they become like this.
Okay.
And then we wash again, we dry in the sun, they become like this. After that's roasting. Simple.
Roasting. Ayan, ginagawa na ni Maanang. Oo, ayan.
Yeah. Ganyan
Ayan, ayan, ayan.
eh.
Listen.
Okay.
Do we
Wow.
do that? Do we do that like that?
Bilis ka naman.
Pagod pala,
Wow.
guys. And then mamaya,
Luwak
guys, we have to
coffee.
put this one pa. We have to roast. I like roast. Gusto ko the way I like the pot, yung nalutoan. And I bring one.
The plate?
Kabango. Okay.
And then we sift it to this.
And then the, para maging fine.
This is regular Bali coffee. Normal.
So I want to try the
Oh, this is Bali.
Bali.
Smell, luwak smells better than this.
Papatay na ka ni Mana, mali na yung ginagawa ko.
Yeah.
Thank you!
Soksama, that's me. Thank you in Balinese.
So,
You're welcome.
Ganon. Okay.
Many different type of coffee and tea.
This one is
Bali coffee.
Bali coffee.
That's for free, but if you want to try the luwak, we charge 60,000 rupiah for it.
That's one way to heat up.
I wanna try the luwak.
Luwak is less coffee in it.
Let's test. Okay, okay.
5%.
And not acidic. More acidic.
But a little bit dry.
Sige, sige. We can try this one. Be good to me, Tame. Please. So this is the tea that we will try. It's okay. And these are the coffee that we will try. So, and then that's preparing the luwak coffee. Ayan, that's how they do it. Vanilla coffee, coconut coffee, cocoa coffee, peanut coffee, Bali coffee, ginseng, pure cocoa, ginger coffee.
And in the middle is avocado.
Okay. Avocado? Oh, nice one.
Try one, try now.
Can I try?
Yeah, try. This is for try.
This is the avocado.
I like to try this.
Yeah, you can try.
Oh, it's delicious. You can buy this powder.
Of course, later you can buy all of them in our shop.
You like Bali coffee?
I don't drink a lot of coffee, but
I love coffee, but my body doesn't want the coffee.
you're so good.
Ang sarap.
Gusto na lang. Okay, yeah. Later, you buy
Ito
it.
yung avocado. Wait lang, hindi ko ibabalik natin sa...
Yeah.
And then the pure cocoa. Tingnan natin kung mas masarap sila sa tabihan natin. Or...
Arena na tayo.
Ano to?
Fried banana.
So later, which one you like? Just take your phone.
Yeah. And bring it to the store later. Okay, ano yan?
I want the avocado.
Avocado.
I have the vanilla, I have the ginger at home, the ginseng, and the coconut. But I don't have the avocado. At hindi na nakita yung avocado, guys.
Peanut?
So I'm not a coffee drinker, so I like the
Sarap lang, but I have the the peanut sa bahay.
Ano yung pala?
So try the tea,
Avocado
guys.
na.
One avocado. Yeah, this... I'll go with the turmeric. Ang sarap ng turmeric tea nila.
Turmeric tea?
Yeah, one turmeric. Sorry, turmeric tea. This is kind of sweet. So sugar lang.
Oh, no.
But kind of
Get
sugar.
rid of all the coffee taste.
Any kind. Any kind. So I can use honey
normal sugar, but
to make it
also like a palm and coconut sugar.
so to make it more healthy. Honey na lang,
So,
guys.
turmeric. Ay, sige lang nagta.
Yeah. These are the ito. Ayan, so meron din sila mga tinanim na coffee. Ayan. Kita, liliit pa. So I think this is luwak. Dahil sa kulot-kulot yung leaf niya. Yung sa atin kasi medyo flat, sa kanila medyo curly. Ay, sa kaliit, may bunga na. The chicken? Ah, hindi ako takot sa chicken. Bahala sila, ma. Yeah. Naglalambunsingan sila ng rooster eh. So, addict din sila sa puso. Okay? Yeah.
Kinder than the ones in
Yeah, and
But
smaller.
this is different type.
fully ground.
Different, like, breeding.
Ah.
Yeah.